Before we get into the video, I'm just trying to say, make sure y'all follow my socials. You know what I'm saying? They're either gonna be in the description or down in the comments, either or. But make sure y'all go follow that for all the the BTS behind the scenes or the vlogs that be going on, and other personal stuff. And I do have another channel as Marv Geeking, and yeah, make sure y'all tap in with those. Follow my card page at GhostX. It's gonna be right here. But yeah, let me know, how y'all liking the video. Just get interactive with me, y'all. I'll be looking at the comments and I'll just I'm gonna give y'all what y'all want. So make sure y'all like the video. Like I said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all stay tuned for more content. And I'll let y'all. Yeah, let's get to the video. Alright, boom, what's poppin', y'all? It's your boy Marv Geeking. I'm back with another POV, Carl POV. Welcome to the channel if you are new. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I also have a vlog channel by the name of Marv Geeking. And y'all go check that out, see what y'all like about that. Alright, my bad, y'all, for the technical difficulties it had shut up for y'all. But like I was saying, we got a Ford Edge 2024 ST line, and yeah, it's a cool little car. You know what I'm saying? We got a nice little flat screen, thing. I did one of these before, and I gave y'all a little rundown, but it was at nighttime. Y'all can't really see nothing, but now we got the daytime POV. So like I said, this dude got a little edge on it. Dude got a little giddy up on it. Not too fast, nothing crazy, not no scat or no Hellcat, nothing like that. But I might just go on the freeway with y'all, show y'all cut up a little bit, show you how y'all get down. You know what I'm saying? They do call me, Moving Marv back in my day. You know what I'm saying? I really do swim, part of the swim team. But I don't gotta speak too much. Y'all already see. I'm pop the little sunroof for y'all, as y'all can see, panoramic on there. Yeah. Hopefully the angles are right and shit. But yeah. I'm not gonna really say too much in this video, so it's really a POV for real. So hope y'all enjoy. Gotta lock in with y'all. I told y'all, swim team, you get down like that. Come up on Miller Belt. Nice little area, you know what I'm saying? Where y'all food at. Let's chill out real quick. Police do be over here heavy. But, you know what I'm saying? We is on Mexico, I can't say no names, but the, DPS do really, do get it right. State boys really do get right, but I ain't lie, I don't like when people go slow in the fast lane. It be too crazy. It's you really gotta cut up in front of them. Really gotta move. I'm in that. But I don't know where I'm gonna take off, but I might just whip around. I don't know. What we gonna say? That car right here though. That. I'm gonna get off at Farmington though. I'm gonna circle around back to the spot so I can showcase the car and shit. So Yeah. Damn, car crash. It's crazy. Almost. I'm going though. Don't worry about me. I wonder if the people like in the other cars like looking in they mirrors and shit be like, what the fuck is on this nigga head? They're like, I'm like catching y'all, moving y'all. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. Oh, we're falling and shit. Hold on, y'all. Say boom was popping, y'all. You know what I'm saying? We got the black on black, damn near, you know, kitty cat. You know what I'm saying? Big purr out here, you know what I'm saying? We got the ST line out here, you know what I'm saying? I was just getting y'all a little rundown of what the car look like, you know what I'm saying? We do little tinted headlights, tinted taillights. You know, it's a little dirty. I did get a wash though today. You know what I'm saying? I did a little fine with it. You know, I was cleaned up, as y'all can see in this video. But, you know, I don't want to give y'all too much. Show y'all a little briefly. We got 5% on the tint. Y'all know that 5% of the tint is like you can see yourself. You can see you can see it in the video, but y'all can see your here though from the far. Go cold. Got a little BTS. Oh yeah, and that y'all see that. The next mod though, I keep saying this is the front windshield tint though. We might go like 15, 10. I don't know how that go, you know, something light though. But y'all see the sparkle on the wheels though. You see the glistening. You see it. I gotta wipe off the little rims though. Even a little dusty and shit. Hold on, let me see what that look like. Not too bad. Shout out Miracle Car Wash, I think, or something like that. But y'all see what's going on though. We got a little scratch. You gotta fix that though. But I want this car like mad clean, but it's hard though. It's really hard. But I be trying to keep it clean for the most part. But y'all see what's going on. It just sits so pretty. I wanted the ST though, but it looks so crazy though. Like off that. Y'all see that. Hope y'all enjoy, you know what I'm saying? Enjoy the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Check out my new pages in the description. Y'all have a blessed one. Stay up, continue grinding. And yeah, I gotta put some air in these tires. Y'all see that? It's kind of flat. But yeah, see y'all on the next one. It's your boy Mark Geekin, aka Ghost 2 times. You know what I'm saying? And I'm out. Peace.
She got me like,
oh my god, shut up.
she got a young turn nigga feeling right. Shorty, come on, do your thing tonight. Whip out the D, she get good pipe. Before we continue, baby, this a smack night. This really a fight night. She got me like,
Oh my god, shut the fuck.
tell me why that bitch ain't acting right. Why you just good night and that one tight? Tell her I ain't stressing, baby, I just wanna pipe. Tell me how we good, now we back right. Baby looking good in that late night. No games on the table, it's a fun night. I ain't tricking on you cause he want you as a wife. He the truth, he the proof, man, I can't lie. He the one who cheated, he the bad guy. Told him bro like I'm an evil spy. Posted with this girl smoking, getting real high. TYB come with KMG starting 5. From the D, so I rock Cartier. Any 10, so I can see different. You know I got 2 pair of shades. Go to hood, switch them out any day. Broke jumper tryna fade. He mad at himself, say on delay. I'm feeling real hungry today. Hit the Cody down, Detroit made.